Temperatures continuing to climb, many of us are having this recurring nightmare that our air conditioning goes out.
Yeah, so what do you do if you can't get it repaired quickly in this heat?
Team 12's Chase Go Lightly is standing by to explain your rights. Chase?
Well, Mark Reby, there are several steps that homeowners and renters can take if they ever find themselves in that unfortunate experience of their AC breaking during the state's hottest time of the year. It's every Arizonan's greatest fear during the hot summer months.
Our air conditioner had actually just stopped.
AC units breaking down. It happened to Josh Carmona a week ago.
Last night we were at like 102 degrees indoors.
On Thursday night, it was 99 degrees inside his home. He tells me his family has been staying at hotels, waiting for his home warranty to fix this, but it hasn't been easy.
It's just been a nightmare. It's been horrible.
He's far from the only one in the valley having to deal with the heat.
And the phones have just been crazy.
Ray Higuera with Precision Air and Plumbing says they are getting up to 250 calls a day asking for repairs or new AC units.
Technicians are running anywhere from 5 to 8 calls a day.
He says AC units in the valley typically last 10 to 12 years. They've been able to make those repairs within 24 hours. But no matter where you go, it's likely going to cost more than $10,000 for a whole new unit. When you're renting and the AC goes out, the process is a little different. Valley Realtor Stephanie Kaufman says tenants need to write to their landlord or property manager about the problem, either through text message or email immediately.
It should be something with a date and a timestamp so you have it in writing, and then you can follow up with a phone call to make sure that message was received.
Arizona law states landlords have a day to make arrangements.
It's life-threatening heat, so they have 24 hours to make accommodation.
Stephanie Nader with Phoenix's landlord-tenant program helps people out in these situations every day. She says those accommodations could be a hotel stay or even a portable air conditioning unit until the AC is back on.
That portable unit only has to cool down one room while they're rectifying the situation.
Nader also says tenants can be reimbursed rent and hotel stay. However, she says you need to still pay and be sure to keep those receipts.
And then you go ahead and submit that invoice to the landlord for reimbursement.
As for Josh, whose home is currently 99 degrees inside right now, he said he's tired of waiting for his home warranty, so he's really considering just ponying up and paying for a new unit, which again, he was told it could be $12,000 up to $20,000. The home warranty said that they would cover a fraction of it, but he's still looking to pay thousands of dollars if he wants to go that way.
Oh my gosh. And then, consider if you have someone who's elderly or their
Right.
health is compromised or you've got babies in the house, that could be very stressful.
Exactly. And he brought that up. He said, hey, I'm thankful that we're in this position that we can go and look at options. But yeah, you're right. The elderly who might not know how to look on their phone or do anything like that. And then there's also the issue of if you send that notice to your landlord, if they don't get back to you, experts say at that point, that's when you have to hire, legal representation, or you can call that Phoenix program. They can help get you in touch with someone who can mediate that process to try that move a little bit faster.
All right. Chase, thank you. Hopefully it